Let's go through some ways to upload work into Google Classroom. The first way is when a teacher puts up a worksheet for you to write in. So it's going to look something like this. There'll be the name of the task up here, there'll be some instructions here, and on the right hand side there'll be your name. In this case it's example pupil because that's the example account I made, and then the name of the worksheet. So each pupil has got their own version of it, you can't see what anyone else writes. Click on that to open it up. Then there will be some instructions, some questions, and some space for you to write your own answers. You just write it straight in there. Blah, blah. Can't write, blah, blah, blah. Once that's finished, just hit turn in, and it goes back to the teacher. They will mark it, they will give you some feedback. Ask you if you're sure. Yes, I'm going to do that. On this page, there's some space for you to write private comments, things that only go to the teacher, and some class comments, things that everyone else in the class can see. So that's when you are filling in a worksheet that's already been made for you. Let's go back to the class. Probably most of the time, there's not going to be any work there for you to write in. You need to upload your own work. A few ways to do this. So again, you're going to have title of the lesson, title of the piece of work, and then some instructions. But you can see here this time there isn't a worksheet. I need to add or create. Click on that. Easiest way to do this is to do a Google Doc. You can upload files. If you do it in Word, you can do that. If you have taken photos and saved them on your computer, you can do that. Probably the easiest way is to write it straight into Docs. So we'll make a Google Doc. It's going to create a Google Doc with our name and this piece of work, and that gets shared straight with our teacher. Once it's finished loading, click on that. This just opens a normal Google Doc. We can do whatever in here. We can write out our work, we can copy and paste pictures, we can even try and scribble some pictures. I'll show you how to do that. So you just write in your work. If you want to try and draw something, we can go Insert, we can go Drawing, New Drawing, and then we've got all of the bits we need here for making a little drawing, making a diagram or whatever. We've got our shapes and things. If you double click on these shapes, you can type in them, which might help if you're making a timeline or whatever. And you can also, probably easier on an iPad if you have a mouse, have a go at actually drawing. If you open up this one here, line, go down to scribble, you can put whatever you want on there. Save and close. We've made a little drawing. You can also copy and paste in things from Google Images or wherever. Once that's all done, you can click turn in, same as before. Goes back to the teacher, they'll mark it, they will send it back to you. Another cool little thing when you log in, if you open these three lines here and click on to do, it will tell you if you've got any work upcoming, and it will tell you work that you've finished. Hopefully that helps a little. Bye.